You see AMD, and I gotta show you DVN, CCL, that Carnival Cruise, NVTS, okay, WMT, Walmart. This is the rapid fire chart analysis. Let's go. AMD. We started off in a zoomed out view. I identified that we were in a symmetrical triangle, which was a neutral position, and I said that we were looking for a breakout or breakdown. I have a demand zone and I have a supply zone. I utilized that to identify whether I was going to short AMD or not. Once we rejected here and we failed to break back above, that was a sign for me to short. So I called an entry here. We know that 184.37 was a key level. Dropped like a rock. That's it. And I got to show you DVN. DVN, we had this triangle pattern, and I set an alert here because I was waiting for this breakout. Everybody in the Discord received this alert, and then we rolled this to the upside. I want this to go all the way up to 35.60. We still need to break through this, break above 33.87, bullish momentum through this supply zone. If we do and break above, I have another alert set at $34. So if you're in the Discord, you're gonna get this alert at $34. Bullish reversal on this retracement. That's that. CCL, that Carnival Cruise. So it looks like we're approaching a double top, and we found a recent support and broke up. As of right now, it looks like we're in a little bit of a downtrend as it relates to volume. So I would need for it to break $30.57. We essentially need to break through this. If we cannot break through this and find support at 31.48, then this is going nowhere. NVTS. So we had an imbalance. We need to break above this and live above $8.39. If we don't do that, then we're not going anywhere. This is like an ascending wedge. These will be your highs and lows if you're trying to swing this, and we're having some buy side imbalance as well. So it could be pretty bullish here to close up this gap. WMT, Walmart. We had a symmetrical triangle on Walmart. We were waiting for the breakout. We got the breakout, formed another symmetrical system, and then it just fell right through. So now that we're below 101.51, we would be looking for WMT to come and retest this before it continues towards the downside to our take profit target of $99.78. Okay, if we break back above 101.51, then we have a potential for more upside, but you have to pay attention. All right, I'm gonna leave that one at that, and then when I get the alerts that just tells me, you know, market is calling me, hey, right, then I take that, the alert gets set, the Discord gets noticed, and then we're in a play towards the take profit target. That's kind of what we do. That is it. That's all I got for you. This is Stocks for Real, Sacrifice for Riches. Like, subscribe, share the video because it could be helpful to somebody.